Good morning, aloha. Wanted to go over GamerHash, the application that you can download and what it looks like and how it works. This is what it looks like. It shows your username, it shows your device name, the wallet, the store you can click on, and ways to earn money, ways to earn cryptocurrency in this new world. Shows little updates down here. It also shows a nice little scroll bar at the bottom that tells you the current price of GamerHash compared to Bitcoin. 0.05 is the value, and other parts where you can find them online. And Discord community, there's 1,591, so not a lot of people really know about this as of yet. Of course, you can go to settings, benchmark. So benchmark, if you want to mine, you can earn cryptocurrency through them. So it depends on where you are, of course, in your territories. This is not financial advice. So if you go to the wallet, click on one of these, you can go to the store, you can spend some of your GamerHash coin that you got. Go to the store, it shows you the available, it shows you in progress, it shows you completed, not done. We'll go to not done. These are ones when I first started, I wasn't able to complete these because I was still in the trial phase. But you can see here that you can earn, and this is Gemini, so doing these things you get $6. Gemini, generally it's about $1 per Gemini. So 1 USD equals about 1 Gemini USD, or it's a 1-to-1 ratio. So it could be 1.012 for Gemini, so the value could actually go up. Some of these don't take long at all. Some of these you can get done within 10 minutes. These are completed ones. Some of these take a little bit longer to come through, but generally within a week. Some of them instantaneous, they go through. I did one so fast, it was literally within seconds it was done. War Robot. So that one is really fun. If you're a gamer, you know somebody likes to play games. So I made $4.50 playing this game once, and this was really fun. It's still in the beta mode, but it was so much fun to play. I literally did it, installed it. Of course, you need a computer system probably to install it. You play it. That's what they're looking for. They're looking for beta testers to try out these games, all three of these. And then these secure your account. So to secure your account a little bit further, 2FA, that means that it's encrypted. There's a passcode that you download, usually about 6 digits that you have to input, and it changes every minute. So it's to further secure your account. In progress, this is one that I was going to finish, fill the play and earn survey, and I earned 4 GamerHash. We're going to do this real quick and I'll show you how easy it kind of can be. See, platform browser, fill the survey, submit the survey, cooldown 48 hours. So give it 48 hours after you're done with this, and that's all it's asking you to do. Description: in order to complete the task, you shall provide your GamerHash username in the survey. So that's one thing you got to make sure that you do. Some time ago, we have added to play and earn platform a new task format. Those are processed across the GamerHash ecosystem automatically within up to 30 minutes, completed and paid out to the user's wallet. We'd like to know your opinion about those new tasks. What works for you and what should work better? Whether everything is intuitive, as well as your ideas and suggestions. If you have already completed one of those tasks, please fill the survey and help improve GamerHash. Alright, so we're going to open it up. Alright, it opens up and it comes up to this. Big thing that I got to do is make sure that my GamerHash is the same. That's the biggest thing for these, and sometimes they're not so technical. And then you answer the questions and then submit. So that's pretty much it. And then you'll notice that it shows a different language. So that's one of the bugs that you might come across. Let's go back to GamerHash. In your GamerHash, available in 47 hours. So once you do this, I have this one in progress. I have to wait 2 days to start these two because they want you to finish these first or have these complete, which is really neat. These do go away after a while too. So as you can see, they cancel out. So there's an end date. And we're just going to go to my account real quick. So you earn GUSD, which is a Gemini coin. Bitcoin, if you mine, you can earn cryptocurrency. They have a micro Bitcoin. It's bigger than a Satoshi, but it's smaller than a Bitcoin. Gamer coin, if you go to the store and you can look at stuff, you can get games. This is not financial advice, obviously, but if you're a gamer and you like games, this is definitely something for you. So we're going to go to interconnected creations. Of course, if you want to sign up for this stuff, you just go to interconnected creations. Just go to the link. Just go to here. And you see referral program, go down to GamerHash. That's one way to do it. and it'll take you right to here. Click on this, friends bonus, check welcome gift, 500 Satoshis, and 60 days of GamerHash max rank. Check, register, confirm your email address, and start using our app. Share power or play and earn your bonus. Check get $1 for each friend who earns $5 in play and earn. Check get 0.2 for the first $2 mined by the invited person. Here's my code. Click on this and it'll take you to the sign up. This is what it'll look like. Watch video, of course. I always recommend watching the videos. This is something for you if you're a gamer, not a gamer, if you're looking into mining crypto, Bitcoin. So not financial advice, just entertainment purposes only. Have a great day. Aloha.